Talk us through the delivery numbers, how they compared with street expectations.
Thanks so much, Sarah. So it was a good December number. We were skeptical of whether Boeing could meet its deliveries, but it hit its target, and mainly on the MAX. So it delivered 374 MAXs in 2022 versus its forecast or guidance of about 375. And we have that number going up to 425 by 2023. And why that's so important is each MAX figure is about 10 million of free cash flow per plane. So it's really getting them to their target. And their 23 target, as a reminder, is 3 to 5 billion of free cash flow generation. So doubling what it did in 2022.
So where does this set up Boeing for this year, especially against rival Airbus?
Well, both Boeing and Airbus actually had very good orders and deliveries. So if you look at orders, they were double the delivery numbers for a book-to-bill of 1.7 times in 2022. And we've seen a lot of incoming requests for what other airlines following United's order could order more aircraft. And China, as a reminder, hasn't ordered a single aircraft since at least 2018. So there's order momentum. But the two things we're watching for giving Boeing momentum this year is the 737 MAX production rate. It's currently at 25. It's set to go to 50 by 2025. They need to get incremental step-ups there to 31 by the end of this year. And also the 787 rate. The 787 just restarted deliveries a few months ago. So Boeing had a good December delivery number, but it hasn't really ramped up production rates there.
Let's talk about the airlines, because you also cover them, and they have started, we've noticed, very strongly here in terms of performance in 2023 after a rough end to last year. What is the outlook? Are investors looking for a slowdown in travel spending or not?
So we're quite skeptical on the airlines. The momentum thus far this year is because airlines are trading at a 20% discount to their historical average. So airlines got really beaten up at the end of last year on two concerns. One is ongoing costs. Costs are slated to be much higher. We just saw Spirit Airlines hit their pilot agreement where salaries are increasing 34% over the next 2 years. So costs are a concern for the airlines. And second, we're worried about pricing coming in. We're just talking about inflation. Pricing in Q4 is set to be up about 20% for the airline carriers, and we forecast that coming in with the Jefferies economists forecasting a hard landing at the end of this year. So we're forecasting pricing coming in. And the third headwind for the airlines is, of course, the operational issues at Southwest, as well as all their free cash flow is going towards new planes that they have to buy. So it's positive for Boeing, bad for the airlines.
But on the flip side, China reopening, big source of international travel demand.
We view that as a beneficiary, actually, to the commercial aerospace names. So on a China reopening play, we would buy Boeing and Spirit, a big structures manufacturer, as well as HEICO, an aftermarket play that's not well known, but is a spectacular investment in our view. So the airlines on China routes, United would be the best play there, but it's only 2% of sales overall, and actually very low margins, given they compete against the state-owned carriers.
You're not buying it. Airlines up 14.3% to start the year. One of the best performing S&P subsector. Thank you, Sheila. It's good to see you. Sheila Kayalu.